Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI A9 and let me show you some secret codes which will work on your device. So first of all, let's open the dialer and tap on the keypad because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes. And let me begin with the shortest one, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both email numbers and also a main number of this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another code which is similar to the previous one. It's *#07#. And as you can see, thanks to this code, we can open the regulatory labels and here you can check all the info. Let me get back because that's all for this code, and let me show you the calendar info. And all we have to do is simply type *##225###. And as you can see, we are in a calendar info, so here we've got some events in one place. We can check the family events, holidays in your country also should appear somewhere here, and we can check events attached to your mail, so from now on you won't have to worry about forgetting about any of anniversaries. So that's all for this code, and let me show you another one which is provided by Google. It's *##426####. And as you can see, we are in a diagnostics, so here we can check, for example, server, host, port, time connected and signal level. We can also tap on events, and here we've got some further details. And we can show advanced view. Just tap on this three-dot icon, tap on advanced view and tap on status again. As you can see here, we've got much more info that we had, and we can check, for example, last ping or network type or HB algorithm. Let me get back and let me show you the last code. It's *##4636###. And as you can see, we are in a testing mode. Here we can check the phone info, usage statistics and Wi-Fi info. So let me quickly go through all of them. So let's begin with phone info, and here you can check the info like the email, for example, card network, data service, data network type, or you can run ping test just by tapping here. And as you can see here, we've got the results. What's more, after tapping on this three-dot icon, you can also enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Let's get back and let's tap on usage statistics, and here we've got the full list of apps which are installed on your device, and here you can check the usage time. So for example, you can say that we've been using these settings for almost half an hour. Of course, you can change the sorting type just by tapping here. Now we've got usage time, but you can set last time use or app name, and after choosing, for example, this one, all the apps will be listed alphabetically. Let's get back and let's quickly check the Wi-Fi info. Here we can check the API configuration and the status. So let me pick, for example, the status, and let's refresh the stats. And as you can see here, we can check the network state, SSID or network ID. Of course, we can run ping test just by tapping here, and here you've got the results. So actually that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your UMIDIGI A9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.